So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today ago I was uploaded as videos, but this video I was not talk anything because I was so nervous. Uh, but I am now introduce myself and talk about me. So I'm Prince. I'm living in Gaivandha district. You know that Gaivandha district. So I was complete just my essay examination and I'm waiting for my result, and then I will admit any college or polytechnic. So I in this channel I was making for my English content, but this is not only for a channel. I mean, this is a not only channel. I have another um, other channel. This channel for tech content. I mean, I review technological information and this. So I decide that this is my free time, so that I have to improve my English level. For this, I decide. So I have to practice regularly. If I want to improve my English levels, for this, I decide that I have to regularly practice. And tonight, I was totally awake because why not? I cannot sleep properly. For this, I totally awake tonight, and now I am feeling so sleepy. Hmm. For this, I cannot speak properly. You can see this in my eyes. So I'm feeling so sleepy. But uh, for this, I'm now recording video for my improving English level. Uh, I hope I will be a great English speaker. Now I am not a good. I know that. For I'm feeling so nervous, but if I improve my English skill and English speaking, so I have to regular practice. Uh, you know that's it, guys. See you in the next video. And if you want to join in my English speaking journey, you can subscribe my channel. See you later, guys.